Hello everyone, welcome to another screencast at favicon.ico blog. I am your host Aslam. In this quick screencast, I'm going to show you how to create Windows icon file, especially for designing favicon for your website inside Photoshop. So if you're already familiar with Photoshop, you'll know that Photoshop doesn't have the ability to save or export file as the Windows icon format, which has the extension .ico. We're going to accomplish this using a nifty little plugin developed by Telegraphics. You can go to their website www.telegraphics.com.au/sw. Check out the show notes. I'll include the link there. You can download this plugin which is compatible with your version of Photoshop. Currently I'm using Creative Cloud, so the closest version is CS5 and CS6. I'm going to download that and I'm going to open up the DMG file. If you're in Windows, it'll probably in a zip format. Inside this DMG, you'll be able to see a file called icoformat.plugin. This is a Photoshop plugin. Next, we need to place this plugin inside the Photoshop plugins folder. So I'm going to go to the Finder and navigate to the applications folder, and I'm going to go to the Photoshop folder. I'm going to double click on that, and inside this Photoshop folder you'll be able to see a folder called plugins. So this is where we need to place this icon format plugin. So I'm going to drag and drop into the plugins folder, and then you need to launch Photoshop. If you're already running Photoshop, you might want to restart that in order to take the effect of this plugin. Now I'm going to create a favicon for this website that I'm currently working on. So I have already opened the logo PSD. I'm going to create a new file, and I'm going to give 16 pixel and 16 pixel height, and I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to go to the logo icon PSD, and I'm going to duplicate the layer to the newly created Photoshop file. And I need to scale this, so I'm going to hit Command T. If you're in Windows, it will be Control T to get this transformation tool. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and I'm going to scale down a little bit, and I'm going to hit Enter. Okay, I need to move a little bit up, and now I'm ready to save this file as a favicon. So I'm going to go to File, Save As, and then I'll be given a dialog box, a Save As dialog box. In here, I'm going to select the drop-down box called Format. Inside this drop-down box, you'll be able to see we have the option ICO or the Windows icon file. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to give a name for this file. I'm going to call this favicon.ico, and I'll make sure that I'm in the project images folder. I'm going to hit Save. You'll be getting a dialog box like this. Yes, I need the standard IO. Use it as a favicon. I'm going to click OK. So this is how you create favicons with the extension of ICO inside Photoshop. Now it's a common practice if you can use even PNG file as well, but as a standard, most of the sites use the favicon.ico file as their favicon. So hope you enjoyed this screencast, and I'm looking forward to see you soon in another screencast.